Are you okay?
Yeah, just like zoned out. Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. Today we are graced with a special guest. Specialist of all guests. You guys know her well. We did. We got Mama Maples here today. Last week we did a video. If you have yet to see it, please go watch it. This video is directly related to that video. Just wanted to pop in and say thank you guys so much for watching that video. I had no idea that you guys were going to enjoy it that much. I'm so happy. I love the way it turned out, and honestly, I thought it was so funny, but I thought it was so funny because, well, okay, I thought it was so funny. It was because it was my mom, but you guys seem to have really enjoyed it, so thank you so much. Thank you! And in that video, my mom judged some Etsy products without knowing that they were made by me.
Yeah, you got me good, Mia.
Honestly, it was such a fun video. It was so fun to edit. It was so fun to film. It was so fun to make the DIYs. And we have been talking about it nonstop.
It was so funny. Like, when I think of you, what you did when I was away, oh my gosh, you were like crafting hard.
I was. It took 2 days. But in that video, I did say that we were going to order the actual Etsy products and review them next to my DIYs, and they all came very, very quick. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be doing, it's basically like a series, a 2-part series. One was me, oops, I'm flipping over the One was me making the DIYs and showing it to my mom and pranking her.
Totally.
And now we're going to review the actual products and just show you guys that Etsy does actually have nice products. Don't let me speak for them. Alright, so we have all the Etsy products right here. We're going to dive into them. We have yet to open them or see them, and we're both very excited. I'm sure you guys are excited too. So let's get it.
I'm so excited to
I can
see.
just hear you making like a small noise, like, let me at them.
I get excited. It's like Christmas to open those boxes.
I know, I'm actually very excited. So, okay, should we go in the same order that we went in the initial video?
Sure, like you pick.
Okay.
It's all, yeah, what you do.
Okay, so I think in the first video we did the phone case first.
Yeah.
So let's revisit mine.
Okay.
The picture.
Oh.
And a, like, jeweled out phone case. So now, a piece
Down a few gems.
Oops! I wonder if theirs will be bendy, because the bend is really what flawed mine.
Right.
Well, and among other things. But
Oh my goodness. I just don't want to roast things that you made and put your heart and soul into, because like
I did put my heart and soul into it.
Ooh, it is gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, it's
oh my
pretty.
goodness. It actually is stiff.
Is it a stiff?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys,
Yeah.
it is a stiff phone case. That's the first.
Yeah.
That was the first mistake.
The big main flower.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Really beautiful.
And nothing's falling off.
Like, this one is still nice and everything, but like this.
Expectation versus reality in the biggest way. This just shows, okay, so in the last video, I got a few comments from people and they were like, oh, so Etsy's sketchy? No. Don't have that be the takeaway, you guys. I was lying to get the prank to work. Etsy is not sketchy. Clearly, first one. I can tell you want to say something, girl.
I know, because I was like, that raises another thing.
What?
You're pretty good at lying.
Just a professional actress. Is all.
Okay, acting.
All right, you guys.
Love it.
Here it is.
Oh, look at my eyes right through the peak hole.
Mom, stop looking through the peak hole.
I couldn't resist.
So next we have the pillow. We will revisit mine again.
The cute little pillow. Put the neck in there.
You know? Yeah, I did.
I actually want to keep this pillow.
You can have it.
Okay, because it will be I'll keep it in my car. It will be my travel pillow.
It's cute.
It's really
It looks
cute.
just like the picture. Oh my gosh, it's worlds better.
It's cute. It's called Bun Bun Baby.
And it's handmade.
Aww.
The sizing is like very close.
It is. You did a really good rendition of this.
I'm gonna give myself some pity points for guessing the size. There is no inside out fabric. It is all on purpose, which is impressive.
The stuffing staying in.
Wow, they are so talented.
And
someone made that.
Did they try and make the stars all straight? Because
Wow.
And like perfect fabric selection on your part.
This is not a boost mine. Let's just talk about
Mia, you did really good.
And now on 3, we're gonna rotate 1, 2, 3. There you go. Let's rate this one.
There's like 0 things wrong with this pillow.
This pillow's perfect. This pillow looks just like the picture.
Yeah.
And it's handmade, you guys.
It looks perfect. It's nice material. It feels like good quality. Like, if you need a cloud pillow, this is like a 10 out of 10.
It would be so cute in like a baby's little room.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. The next one is the one I'm most excited for. We have the cat pot. Here you go.
What? Oh yeah, it's still a little sticky.
Why do you smell it?
Is it sticky? It's a little.
Why?
It's just not drying.
It's just paint. I cannot even believe you believed this. Like, I can't believe your mindset. You really. I can't believe you thought this was actually what we bought.
I literally did not suspect at all. Like at the end when you even.
I think it's smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it would be like this big, but it's smaller. But I'm pretty excited. It's a cute idea.
Really cute.
Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking
It's so small. Okay, got me so good on that.
No, I'm so excited. This is the one I'm most excited to see what the actual one looks like because I genuinely want it. Here you go, Mom. You can unravel it.
Okay. Here we go.
I'm excited. Whee!
Okay. What do you think, Mia?
Oh my gosh, it's so much better. It's so nice.
And then, they gave you, little maple candies.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
That is really cute. Did they know Mia Maples?
No, I think this person is from Canada who made this.
That is so
They
adorable.
made this?
What?
This is so nice.
That is so cute.
Oh my gosh, I literally love this. I'm 100% hanging this up. I'm getting a plant for this.
Oh my gosh. Love how they left a line there so it looks so natural.
Oh my
and
gosh.
It's so thin. Look at how thin and delicate. Like it's light. Or, not heavy.
That's insane. The talent level is just like out of this world.
You really look at how you got the face right down though. Like you really did good on the face.
Thanks, Mom. Love you.
This is
amazing.
So cute.
Someone has a seriously amazing talent to be able to make this.
Oh yeah.
This is so nice. Like if
I
I was able to make this, I would give this as gifts every day. Like my friends would get so sick of getting cat pots. I'd be like, here's another one. Like it's what I do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, not sponsored by Etsy. I just want to clear it up because if there was any miscommunication of Etsy being sketchy from me saying it to my mom, don't believe it, you guys. The real Etsy products are really good.
Yeah.
And now, the last and final, we have the mason jars. Twine's a little thick.
Honestly, you can't look at it without smiling.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
So cute. Here, do you want to open this one?
Sure.
Because I didn't know this originally, but this was actually 2 mason jars.
That is so cute.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my word.
That is so
Isn't that a
pretty.
cute little set?
This is so
Like,
cute.
what?
See, and originally I didn't know it was a set, so I only made the one, which is basically we're comparing these.
Why such a subtle difference makes it look so different? Like, I don't get...
Subtle? Subtle who?
Camera wants to just focus on you.
Thin twine. It's very important, everybody.
Yeah.
Like, look at my twine. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, totally.
For sure.
10 out of 10.
And like, so we've tried 4 products and they all have been literally amazing. So that should say something. Don't go to Mia's DIY school. Go to Etsy's. All right, you guys. So that has been trying out all of the real Etsy products opposed to my Etsy products. AKA, I saw the idea on Etsy and I tried to make it and fool my mom. Again, if you haven't seen that video, it's kind of a must-see if you want to watch this one. But either way, Mom, what'd you think?
Oh, I'm a new fan of Etsy.
Me too.
For sure. Like, all the products are so cute, and they're
so cute.
They look even better in real than they did on the computer.
Totally.
Yeah, and so like, yeah, I love them. I'm gonna check it out some more.
Me too. This is actually the first time I've ever even ordered off Etsy, and it has been a great first experience. To all these people who made these, you probably don't know you're even in this video, but great job. You guys are good DIYers.
Yeah, and so fast.
So quick.
Yeah, good packaging. Got it here fast.
Nothing
They're
broke.
Just like the picture, like, so adorable.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Or if there's any other videos you want to see, make sure to comment them down below. With my mom, just me, that's together. Let us know. We got a lot of stuff in the works coming. So make sure to click the subscribe button. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!